Right, so a lot of people have trouble uploading landing pages using VPS and setting up a CDN. So in this video, I am going to show you how to upload them using Amazon AWS. We are going to use two services on Amazon today. These are S3 Buckets and CloudFront. This is S3 Buckets, which will act like a VPS to upload our landing page, and we will be using CloudFront, which will act like a CDN. So basically the two things that we need on Amazon in one service. Alright, and we are going to use our domain name. I'm going to use this one. So I have bought this domain name on Namecheap, namecheap.com. And this will be my landing page I'm going to upload. This is it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on Amazon. Alright, so let's go to the Amazon interface and we're going to click on S3. Here we are. Now we are going to click on create a bucket. Let's call the bucket bucket 55, and the location of the bucket doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and click on next. Alright, so let's see here. This isn't really important, so let's go ahead and click on next. Alright, so this page is important. We need to manage our public permissions, so go ahead and click on grant public access to this bucket. This is important. You can just ignore this warning. Then the next part, here we have to grant system permissions to the bucket. So click on the second one. Alright, next, and now just click on create bucket. Okay, so now this is our bucket, just click on it. So let's upload our landing page now. To do this, we are just going to go ahead and drag the files of our landing page to the bucket. So just click and drag the files to the Amazon service. Now just click on next. Alright, so here we have to grant access to the public again, so click on it. And just ignore this warning again, always ignore this warning. Next. Alright, just click on next again and click on upload. Alright, so now just let's wait until our landing page is uploaded. Alright, so this is our directory with our landing page, and these are the directories. We can click on them and here are our files. Alright, let's click here. This is our landing page, as you can see here. Alright, so it's uploaded now, and as you can see, this is the URL. But we need to use our domain name. So what we're going to do is link it so we can actually use our domain name for our purposes. So to do this, we are going to use a CDN, and let's go to the CDN. It's called CloudFront. It's down here. So just click on it. Alright, just click create distribution and then get started. Alright, so here we have a lot of options. They are loading. And just click on our bucket. So for now, we can just ignore all of this. Just click on create distribution. So this will be our domain name for the CDN, this right here. So we can use this link to browse to our landing page. Alright, so now our distribution is deployed, as you can see here. So now we can just use it, but what we want to do is use our domain name. So I'm going to use this domain name right here. So we are going to use this domain name to deploy our campaigns. So just let's go ahead and copy this and go to distribution settings. It's right here. Here. Alright, so we are going to click edit, and we are going to paste our domain name here. And don't forget to add www. Now we can just scroll down and click on yes. Alright, great. So now if you go here, we can see that the CNAME is updated to our domain name right here. So now we have to do another thing, and we need to use the domain name. It's right here. And just use the distribution name, not the original name, and click on copy. So now we are going to link it to our domain at Namecheap. So just copy it and let's go to Namecheap. So just click on manage. Alright, so right here we are going to click on advanced DNS. So right here we are going to go ahead, and as you can see there are some default values. Just click and remove them all. So both of these entries we can just remove. Alright, so now we are just going to change the entry, change the value to our distribution domain name. Just click on paste. So right here we have our distribution domain name. We are going to change it up to 5 minutes. And now just go ahead and check whether it's okay and click on OK. Alright, perfect. So now we just have to wait until our distribution is deployed again. I'm going to wait 10 minutes and come back. Alright, so now I'm back again. The distribution is deployed again and everything is back up and running. So what I'm going to do now is check whether the domain name links to our distribution. So this is the link we are going to use, and I'm just going to click on reload and check whether it's online. And well, it's online, so that's perfect. Alright, so everything is up and running. We can launch our pop-up campaigns as we expected to do. So let's just leave this and go to the next video where I will show you how to start a campaign.